told y'all I'd bring you a little more action every once in a while. I got some stuff sprayed on here, but this here's already loose, where it looks like it came off. We're going to replace these little ends on here. What we're going to do? It's about loose too. I think both of them are pretty loose. I think they are. Oh yeah, these are all right. They're gonna come on off here. We're just gonna put these ends on, clean these up a little bit. Oh, that thing there, heat up pretty good, wasn't it? Heat up pretty good. Sorry, we're gonna replace it. This here's heat up so bad where I'm gonna go against my word and use a little crescent on it, because he's heat up as well. Oh yeah, he's gonna work out. I'm gonna let him sit here because I think he'll come off. All right. So what we're gonna do, the stuff I got sprayed on here is not flammable whatsoever. It's not. It's just a hidden secret cleaner that I use. I hope y'all can see this. Hang on here. We're just snipping these ends off. Okay. I'm gonna do that. Now do it here, just like this right here. Come on. Let me see it. It's all good. I gonna tell you in my welding video, those kids, they always question my work some. You know what? I need to probably go and get a light so y'all can probably see a little better. You know what I'm saying? So hey, you know what? Why don't we do that? We'll get a light so y'all can see us just a little bit better. 2 minutes. Better? I don't edit much at all. You know what I'm trying to say? I'm real deal here. We ain't taking 3 or 4 shots of something. We got it. I'll clean this up a little bit. So this will be cleaned up. Oh yeah, man. That stuff ain't really healthy, but I can make it work. I will make it work. I'll tell you what. Get another battery. Might have one. I don't know. Let's see. See which one does it fit on this. I'm not sure. We'll have to go with the little big one. Looks like it's on there. That's all we have. It ain't really that good, but I can make it work though. Not good, but good. You know what I'm saying there. Okay, I don't gotta shrink down far enough. I know this size will. Hold on a minute. We're just gonna cover it up some. Just anything to help when you get done. All right. Anything to help it. Where's that? Oh, I need one more of them pieces. That's okay. We got it. We got it. I used to have some of these that were a solder joint. Yeah, that's a good one. I used to have these in a solder joint form. Oh man, it's gonna be close. I'm going to cut that down more. But I don't want to lose my fuse part here. This is gonna be close. But I think, well, I don't like it. It'll work. Should still work. I'll make it work. We're just gonna put that on there like so. You know, still make it work. We can make it work because you know all my videos are really for entertainment. None of them. I don't recommend you really do anything I do. You do what you want to do. But this is my way. If you do it my way, you're responsible for yourself. You know what I'm saying? Because sometimes I do stuff that may not really be 100% right. You know? That's the way it is. That's the way I operate. If you do it how you want to do it, but don't I don't recommend you doing it my way, because it's probably not the best way. You know what I'm trying to say? You know what I'm talking about, don't you? Huh? It's one of those things, you know. You do it your way, I do it my way. Look here, we're gonna put it on here. We're gonna put it on here. Little slider on there. Yeah, I used to have these where they were solder tight, and I'm out of them. I saved them from way back in the day. I actually dug them out of the trash. The job I was at before, we put a locator in the trucks, equipment, and what all. And this was a lot of leftover stuff that we had. And they was throwing this stuff away. I told them, I said, one day, y'all gonna be eating that stuff, you know? And, oh, Bubba, you're a hoarder, you just collecting junk. You don't need to be collecting all that, you know? I'm like, well, I'm gonna go get it anyway. And I started digging this stuff out of the trash. You know what I'm saying? Become my treasure to make pretty good ends. I hope y'all can see that. If not, take your flash picture, zoom down on it, check it out. Sure can. Put these two on here, like that. And throw a little flat on it. Then I wonder if this is gonna start on here. Yeah. That'll work on that one there too, I think. Already cleaned off. And being this is already, this in here should just screw off of here. It should. Look at that. Ain't nothing to it. Use that cleaner that's on there to go ahead and finish that. Clean it up real good. You know? Just like that. There we go. Like so. It don't take no time to do this. But you know what? People look at this and they are, whoever done them last time, I'm gonna show you how they did them. This is last time. I mean, come on. What's up with that? Who did that? What I'm trying to say is, we've had these discussions all the time in here where we get in that big a hurry 2 hours to leave. You know, this don't take long at all. Stuff like this. I'm probably moving faster than what some of y'all want me to. Uh-oh, that's probably not gonna go. Hold on, man. There we go. And there we'll go. What do you think? Huh? What do you think about it? We're gonna make it work. You'd be surprised how many techs will not use a shrink wrap or anything like that. You know, they hell, I mean, look at it. They didn't even use heat to shrink their ends down. We were done it last time. That's the way it goes. The way it goes. I bet some of y'all thought he was never going to shrink wrap. But get that bigger shrink wrap down all the way. We did, didn't we? We sure did. We got her down. Let's pick out something right here. Let's I'm gonna attempt this. I may mess up here. This one, I'm probably fixing to mess up. Let me look at something. You know, tell you what I'm gonna do. Here's what you do to fix that. So if you're worried about if one is too big, let's see.
Hey, what's Steve's number again?
Steve.
For the vending machine?
Oh shoot, I don't know. Look at your DVIs.
I don't have my work.
Oh, mine's on the deal over there. Hold on. Let me get this one on here. I'll be right there. All right. Oh boy. We got one. I think that I'm gonna put my little one on here. If it don't go, I'll put it first. I'll put this in first. These are the cheap ones. They'll shrink down anything, really. Or this one. And whatever which one I don't use, I'll cut off. But it's easier going to put them on there before you before you put this end on here, because you ain't getting one then. Cut it off, start over. So if you're not sure on shrink wrap size, put it on first. Put your 2 or 3 sizes on there. You cut them off. If you don't use it, you cut them off. You know, they're cuttable. Look at here. So that there went fine. Perfect. It went perfect. So I cut the other one off now. Yep. It does. It does waste this one. You could double shrink it if you want. You know, you want to double up on your shrinkage. Okay, bam, bam, just like that. Throws a flat on there. Look at that. Video's 14 minutes. This one? Snug him down. Rock and roll. Bring him over here. Like that. We'll bring it from here out to here. Just like that. Okay. We'll stop that corrosion down a little bit. How about that? Come on. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed it. I move on a fast pace, as you can tell. I might be old, but I ain't slow. Come on. Come on with it. What are you talking about? All right. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Hope y'all enjoyed it. How do you think? I think it was good. You think? I think so. I don't know. I have to look at it and see. I may be wrong on this. So, she done. See y'all here in a little bit. So, if you like the way I did it, hit like. If you don't, you don't. But I do it my way. You do it your way. It's the way I do it. And I think it's going to be fine. I think it'll work out just right. So, hit that subscribe bell, that bell if you want to. You'll know when the next one comes up. I ain't begging. You do what you want. If you want to see some more of this stuff, come on with it. We're going to do some more road traveling. We're going to do some more repairs. We're going to play around. We're going to mess something up. Come on, let's try to do that. All right. We'll see y'all next time. Thanks.